Sharon didn't come, came before the institution actually started. And then we had Elisa here for a brief while. But this is the first time when the institution running, we have had somebody at the level of Patrick Butler, who's the Vice President of ICFJ, formally come and take stock of what we have been doing here. And he had some interaction with all of you. And I asked, and I think the first impressions have been fairly positive. And I think, you know, my association with ICFJ started in 2008. And once we started talking, it didn't take them long to see the potential of what in this country and the future it held for media education. And I think by 2009, we had the building blocks in place and things got started fairly quickly. And now we are almost going, transiting into a second year of the institution. So I thank ICFJ for their association with SPS. And I formally welcome Patrick here, and I hope he has a useful and productive visit to India. I'd also like to welcome Ambassador Rajiv Bhatia, who has found time to be with us. Ambassador Rajiv Bhatia is one of India's most distinguished diplomats. He has served in Kenya and South Africa, among others, also in Mexico and Myanmar. And at my request, he has found time to come and interact with the students and give lectures here on various aspects of India, like, from the history, the foreign policy, the economy and things. And I think it has been a pretty useful experience for him and a very enriching experience for the students as well. And I'm very happy that Ambassador Bhatia was here when this travel to Liberia was launched, which is in some ways the first public product of the, the institute. And has it been formally launched today? Is it online? Okay. As I was watching it, first I was very happy. It's a brilliant work. My mind was racing, and I was thinking that, we would very much like to link it with the India-Africa Connect website that we are running, which I told you about, with the Ministry of External Affairs, which is the most, the public diplomacy project, which we are doing to link up with Africa and to reach out to Africa. So, the India-Africa Connect has links with various countries. So on the Liberia section, we'll be very happy to put this, your website as a link on India-Africa Connect. And also I would formally write to our foreign ministry to inform them about this and tell them that what two of you have done here. And maybe I was thinking aloud, I was thinking hard, and maybe before you go, I would also like you to go and make a presentation with people in the ministry, the West Africa department, who are dealing with Liberia. And I think they'll be very happy to see that as well, and maybe Ambassador Bhatia can put in a word at some point of time.